No.
Tell you what, I'll even put it there. All you got to do is count to 10 properly and you can have it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 11.
11.
That's not possible.
Well, you're the
There's
one.
5 and 5.
It's 10.
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10.
11. Tell you what, maybe I don't. We'll change the deal. I'm going to give you that money if you answer me this question. Snow White and the...
What?
Snow White and the...
Snow White and the dwarf?
Yeah, but there's something before the dwarfs.
No, Snow White and the dwarf.
No, there's something. There's a number before that.
No, it's Snow White and the dwarf. I saw it many
Okay.
times when I was
Tell you
kid.
what, well, you saw a different version than I did. Tell you what, then, many wonders of the world.
How many what?
Wonders in the world.
Uh, 6?
Close.
8.
Many days in a week?
8? No.
Feels like it sometimes. Okay, one last time. Count to 10 for me properly, you can have €100. Guaranteed. And I've witnesses here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. No.
Tell you what.
Oh, come on.
I'll tell you what.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11.
There's something missing, isn't there?
Yeah, it's not possible that I arrive at 10 here.
No.
And then here after it's 11 because it's 5 and 5 and
Yeah.
it gives you 10.
Yeah. So there's something missing. Do you want it back?
Yeah, so what's the number? Like,
Well, that's what I'm saying. Do you want it
why
back?
is 11 here now?
Well, I'm saying, do you want the number back you're missing?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Just look at me for a sec. I'm just going to gently touch your head and it'll pop back into your head straight away, okay? But have I ever told you there's a consequence in hypnosis? Did you ever hear about that hypnosis consequence thing? Have you heard of it?
No.
Okay. I can get you the number back,
Mm.
but something else has to disappear to get it back. But the thing that disappears won't be as important as the number.
Okay.
So is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. Right top of your head, that number comes back, but your name has disappeared. Boom. What's the number?
7.
Yeah. Now I'll give you that money. I'll give you that, yeah, the many wonders of the world.
7.
Many days of the week.
7.
Okay, Snow White and
The 7 dwarf.
count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, now tell me your name, you can have it.
No.
Tell me your name, then you can have it. Genuinely, and if you can, do.
No, I counted to 10.
But remember I said there's a consequence. I give you the number back. I actually gave you the number back. But I said something else will disappear, which is the thing you can't remember. But if you can remember what you've forgotten, I'll give you the money. No, your name.
1, 2, 3.
No, your
4.
name. We got that right. What's your name? I'll give you the money.
Well, you know my name.
No, but you don't. yeah, you don't know. I know your name. You don't know it.
Oh, come on, like, you know my name.
Tell you what, when I drop this on the floor, your name will come back. And if you can pick that up, you can have it. But the problem with it is, it's the same weight as a Volkswagen van. You can try and pick it up. And if you can, Aurelian, do you know your name now? Yeah. If you can pick that off the ground, you can have it.
What do you mean, like, to take it in front of the van?
Yeah, but it's extremely heavy. It's like a ton weight. Now, go on, you can try. And if you can, you can. Honestly, don't do nothing for me. Try and pick it up. Genuinely. I don't mind looking stupid. If you can pick it up, pick it up. Put it in your pocket, it's yours. What's that? What? Is it heavy, or is there something you just won't let you pick it up, or what? Because
If you say if it's heavy as a van, I can't lift a van.
well, yeah, you can have it. Like if you pick it up, you can have it.
No, I can't lift the van.
But that's €100. It's the
Yeah,
same.
I know,
It's
I
the
know,
same
I
weight
know.
as a van.
You know, you say it's heavy as a van, I can't lift the van.
Well, try it. Give it a go. Because he didn't really try, did he? If I were you, I'd fucking lift it. I'd try and lift it. I'll tell you that much. Tell you what. Let me just. I don't know. Are you sure? Looks. Maybe I'm super strong. I don't know. I know you, and I know you well enough to know that if you could, you would. So if you can, do. I genuinely mean that, because the last thing I want is you pretending. So if you genuinely can lift it, do. All I'm saying is you can't. But I do want you to try.
But I can't count.
Are you trying though? Okay, tell you what, sit down there. I'll pick it up in a second and we'll bring you back. Want to sit down for a second?